Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. This morning I was teaching one of my online classes and I was chatting away to the first student to join the Zoom room that I was working in, as I usually do, and I was asking her how she was getting on, how life was her end, and she was complaining to me that her 4-year-old son was causing all sorts of problems. "I can't wait till he goes back to kindergarten," she admitted, and she then added, "To be honest, he's being a bit of a pain in the arse at the moment." She then suddenly realised that she had sworn. She'd used the word arse in front of her English teacher. Tut tut tut. And looking a little bit guilty, she said, "Excuse my French." If you say excuse or pardon my French, you're basically saying sorry for using swear words in a situation where you think that you shouldn't be. I guess we have this idea of French being a slightly dirty, sexy language. Think of French kissing, for example. So if you find yourself saying that you were pissed off about something or that you thought something was crap, excuse my French. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and in the examples below, we'd love to hear about a time when you needed to say, "Excuse my French."